Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I'm gonna go to how can you get Canva free Pro for lifetime. So go to browser and click right here bulkistech.free.nf. Click. When you type this word, I can drop the link in description. Here is the website. Go to blog. After blog you can scroll down, get down, scroll. After scroll down you can click this side, right side, click. When you click this, you can get your free for lifetime. Here is 31% is here with me. Subscribe my channel for more videos and trusted video. I am uploading graphic designing course as soon as possible on my YouTube channel, so subscribe and click the bell icon, share and comment, likes always. So thank you. See you in next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.